the mixture that you are mixing and add it into the boiling water. So what you do, you just add it and keep mixing and mixing and mixing. You mix it completely to make sure that the water has incorporated with the mixture. So after some few minutes, it will come out to something like this, very similar to this, or just exactly like this. So, and this is what we call oshoro or uji. So the thing is, to make your uji, for you to serve that uji that is ready, you have to it has to come to a boiling point. Like you can see now, mine is boiling. So when it's boiling, that means it's cooking. So make sure it has completely boiled and everything is bubbling up. And after you are done, after this, you can just scoop a little from the pot just to taste, like I am doing right here. Remember, uji is very hot. Oshoro is very hot. This is how it looks like. So you can taste it like I'm doing. Actually, it's ready. So at this point, the uji is ready to be served. You can just easily remove it from the heat, serve it directly in your cup, and enjoy it with your families and friends. So we're going to end this cooking of oshoro. Remember, it's advisable to add sugar just to give it a taste, because normally it doesn't like really have taste. You can also add milk if you want. Some people add butter. So whatever you like, it's optional. You can just add anything you wish. So I'm just going to serve this directly in this cup of mine. So let's serve the uji. Oh, look at this. It looks good. It looks so good. I don't want to serve this tamarind inside, but I think, yeah. So that's the uji. The uji is ready to be drunk or to be eaten. You can eat it with a spoon or you can drink it. Yeah, and that brings me to the end of this recipe preparation of oshoro in Kikuyu, porridge in English, uji in Swahili. So that's our uji, the Kenyan uji. The rest is still here in the pot. And like I said, you can add sugar for taste. You can also drink it raw as it is, or you can also add some milk or some butter or anything else that you wish. With this, uji is served together with it is served either like that. You can just drink it like that as a beverage without anything. You can have it with bread. You can also have it with potatoes, ngwashe, sweet potatoes, ndoma, arrowroot, anything of your choice, mandazi, chapati, whatever you want. So that's the uji for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and until we meet again next time, have a good time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need more recipes concerning our Kikuyu tradition and our Kikuyu foods, please feel free to comment down the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this content. And till we meet again next time, thanks for watching. Bye.